So hey guys, in this video we are going to solve the second problem for the partial fraction method type for nth derivative. So here also we have got one problem. As we have discussed in previous problem that whenever you are getting when you have to do partial fraction, whenever you are getting the numerator degree is how much here? 1. Denominator degree is how much? 2. So numerator degree is less than denominator degree, so it is a proper fraction, so we have to decompose into what? Partial fraction. So that particular thing we are going to do. So y is equal to, I can write it as this function x divided by, just rearrange the denominator part. So 2x square, higher power I'll bring here, plus 3x plus 1, right? Now we can quadratic function, whenever we're getting quadratic function in the denominator thing, we can convert that quadratic function into linear factors. How to do that? By using factorization method, which is splitting a middle term. So coefficient of x square you take, constant term you take, multiply, you will be getting 2 into 1, 2. So while multiplying, I am getting 2. While adding, I should get how much? 3. Middle term. So the multiplying thing, you take factors. 1 and 2 only are the factors. So using 1 and 2, can I get 3 as the answer? Yes, you can get 3 as the answer. Y is equal to x divided by. So this particular thing, 2x square will remain. 3x I have to change it to what? X, 1x plus 2x, right? So 3x I am writing 1x plus 2x plus 1. So what is the meaning of that? 1 into 2 is how much? 2, and 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So 3x you are getting as the middle term. Okay. So this is nothing but splitting a middle term. So now what the thing is that you can either take separately this particular thing and simplify and put it back. Otherwise you have to do some sort of steps. Okay. So here grouping. So what will be common? X will be common. So what is left out? 2x plus 1. So here also I should get 2x plus 1 as common, right? So what should be outside? Plus 1 only. So 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 common. So y value becomes what? X divided by 2x plus 1, and what is left out? X plus 1 is left out. X plus 1. So this is the simplified version of this particular quadratic function. We got the linear factors. Now we can apply the same concept. We have studied the concept. What is the concept? That whenever you are getting a numerator divided by the linear factors, x minus a into x minus b, it can be plus form also, minus form also, anything is fine. Is can be decomposed into a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b. Simple concept. Here we have to apply that concept. So y will become this function x divided by 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1. So this is nothing but simplified version. Now after this, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM on RHS side and find the values of a and b. Okay, that will be some constant values you'll be getting, that we have to find. Let us see that. So taking the LCM, quite simple, only two variables are there, multiply, cross multiply. Always remember the LCM of the RHS part will be same as the denominator of the LHS part. Okay. So for instance, I'll remove this y term. For just now, I'll remove this y term. Otherwise, 2 equal to sign as there, you will get confused. Okay. After that, you can put y equal to. So x divided by 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to multiply a into x plus 1 plus b into 2x plus 1 whole divided by 2x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now this LHS part denominator and RHS part denominator will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? X equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into 2x plus 1. Now here I have to get the value of a and b. We can go for just substituting method, or you can go for the other method, which is comparing the coefficients also after expanding. But here it is quite simple to just substitute some value of x and find the other variable. So here what will happen? If I substitute x equal to, suppose if I want to eliminate a, okay, so that I can find b value, so I can put x value as minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so a will be gone. So what is left out then? LHS part I have to put minus 1, x value is minus 1 equal to b into 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So what happens here? Minus 1 equal to, so b into minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. So b into minus 1. So here I am getting the b value as how much? 1. Okay. Next, I'll eliminate this part. So if I substitute 2 into, what should I substitute? If I substitute minus 1 by 2, see here, 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1, cancel, minus 1 plus 1. So how am I getting this particular thing? So let us see. So in order to make this particular thing 0, just substitute 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So you'll be getting x value as minus 1 by 2. So in place of x, just substitute that. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. If you substitute, what will happen? LHS part minus 1 by 2 equal to a part will become a into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that implies what you are getting, minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is again half only. So a into half you will be getting. So that implies a value 2 will get multiplied there. So you'll be getting minus 1 as the answer. So a value also you got, b value also you got. Now you have to substitute back to the question. 1 by 2x plus 1 plus b value I got it as 1 divided by x plus 1. So now I can go directly to find the nth derivative, which is yn. So how to find that? Very simple. What concept we are applying here? Remember that y is equal to 1 by ax plus b. The concept is quite simple. Yn value will be given, yn value is given as minus 1 power n into a power n into n factorial divided by ax plus b power n plus 1. This formula we are going to apply here. So what will happen? So yn becomes this particular thing you observe, derivative, nth derivative of, so minus I'll take outside, 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus nth derivative of 1 by x plus 1. Now here if you carefully observe, if you do the comparison, so dn is basically the nth derivative. Okay, so comparison, a value is how much for this thing? 2. So I can get the value of yn as, minus is outside, so here minus 1 power n, a value is 2, so 2 power n factorial divided by 2x plus 1 power n plus 1 plus, again here what is a value here? 1. So it will be minus 1 power n, 1 power n factorial divided by x plus 1 power n plus 1. So here we can take minus 1 power n and n factorial common. So what will happen? So y power n is equal to, I'll take minus 1 power n common and n factorial also common. So what is left? See, 1 power n is what? 0. Anything power, so not 0, 1. So into, so this is minus sign, so I'll write this first. Okay, so it will be 1 divided by x plus 1 power n plus 1 minus 2 power n divided by 2x plus 1 power n plus 1. So this will be the final answer.